Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I want to make a quick video about top calendar apps for iOS, since there are a ton of calendar apps in the App Store that you could go and download and use for your iOS device. So let's get started in no particular order. So the first one is Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is one of my favorite calendar apps to use on iOS because it just works and it's really simple, and it's a big Google user. I like how it all mixes in together. So, and also the design of it has been really nice, bringing some material design into the iOS ecosystem as well. So that helps as well to make it really nice. And because probably a lot of your stuff that you're used to seeing uh, or working with is interactive with Google. So it's just really nice when you get to have everything in one place. And what's great about this app is how it integrates now Apple Health. So if you're a fan of that, you can now integrate your Apple Health with the calendar as well. Next, we have Fantastical. So Fantastical is a great app. It's one of the best calendar apps on iOS, so for your iPhone or iPad. And it's one of my first calendar apps I've ever bought for the iPhone. So it works pretty simple. It's a very powerful calendar app. Um, and it's really simple how it works. You have, of course, you just click the plus button and you just write what you need to add onto it right there. So without having it, or if you want to have it as a reminder, you just have to switch that and it's into a reminder mode. And it's just really nice. All the gestures, of course, it works really great. And just pull it back up. And what's great about this is that it has an Apple Watch app. So if you're an Apple Watch user, you get to control your calendar app or see what you have coming up from your Apple Watch. Now, of course, also there's a widget for it. So that's how the widget looks like for Fantastical. It looks really nice. That's one of my favorite widgets for iOS. Okay, and not least but not last, the last one is Timepage by Moleskine. So Timepage by Moleskine is a great calendar app. It's loved by a lot of iOS users and some big ones as well. Some big known iOS reviewers as well. And it's one of my favorite ones as well. I bought this one on day one when it was released onto the App Store. So it's really simple. There's a lot of gestures to it, but very cool and really slick design. So when you tap and hold, of course, you get to see the weather throughout the week. So you get to see here how the week is going to be. And then, of course, there's your settings area pretty much. So here's where you control everything, your themes, your widgets. And then, of course, this is your calendar main page here. And then there's like your like kind of, I guess, the Today Hub, I guess I'll call it, where you get to see everything, your schedule throughout the day and throughout the month as well. And what's great about this is that you get to see, of course, the weather all in here included. So that's very helpful as well. And just like Fantastical, it also has a widget. This one has three widgets. So it has a weather widget, so you can add a weather widget to it. You can have the today widget, and then there's one more widget. If I could just go scroll really quickly in the bottom. Fantastical. Uh, no, oh, it has the month widget here. There we go. Now we're done. So, and all you get to see, of course, here is the date of what you have scheduled and everything as well. So those are the top iOS calendars for your iOS device. Like I said, there are a ton of other calendar apps as well, but these ones right now are the top ones for myself. And so yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys later. Peace.